Welcome back, learners. Now let's do the last part of our lesson. So the conceptual mind map that we worked with was the one where we focused on scales, we focused on number scales, and we also focused on bar scales. The words that we dealt with, we were explaining the scale drawing, where we said it is a drawing or a map which represents the size of the picture on the drawing in relation to its actual size. Scale factor, the factor by which the size of the real object is either reduced or enlarged. The dimensions is the measurement of an object which describes its size in terms of length, width or breadth, and height. Now remember, height is only included when the drawing is a three-dimensional figure. But if it's a two-dimensional figure, we only worked with the length and the width or breadth. A numeric scale, defined as a scale that is written in a unit ratio format. Bar scale, it is a graphical representation of a scale by means of lines with ruler markings and units that are proportional to the scale. Then the common errors that we might find ourselves making is not indicating the specific units of a particular scale. So with a number scale, we know that it doesn't have any specific units. So you can express it in whichever unit that you want at the end. But a bar scale, it gives us the direction of the units that we're going to end up working with. So you must make sure that when you're working with a bar scale, ensure that the units are the same, especially for the map length as well as the bar length. Then when working with a bar scale, you need to measure the bar length. If you're not given it, then you definitely have to measure it, because that gives us the relationship of what is on the map and what is in reality. Then the challenging question that I want you to do during your spare time is, it's a given a floor plan, a plan of a school hall. You're given that plan and you're given the dimensions. The side is 38 millimeters. The school hall is a square. So you are given the side of a school hall, which is a square, and it's 38 millimeters. The maths class, the length is 3.5 centimeter and the breadth is 15 centimeters. So the maths teacher suggested that they move block B, which is the maths classroom, to the hall. Will the entire B class fit along the sides of the hall? So it means if we take this part and we move it to this part, maybe we put it like this, then we have our B1, our B2, and B3. This is just an assumption, whether will it fit in this hall or will it not. Either they were going to put it this side or that side. It really doesn't matter, because our school hall is a square. So that is the question that I want you to deal with during your spare time. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson on bar and number scales, and I hope you understand them better now. So I'll see you again next time.